Right, so welcome back guys to another action-packed old fish tucker, man. I'm stuck in the river. I've been trying to go for flathead and flounder. Just didn't happen. It's really windy. I mean really windy. What I'm trying to do is gather some mussels, not only for a bit of a feed, but also for some burley. It's really windy. Nothing too technical about it. These pylons, it's a low tide. There you go, right here. I've already got a couple down here. These look really clean. And you need to wear gloves. Oh. There you go. That's good tucker there. Really good, they're clean too. I'll give them a nice scrub, but also I'll use some for bait. Oh. Yeah, some really good size ones here. And these pylons, they look pretty clean and they smell amazing. So you can see all the mussels all along there. Absolutely good tucker. But you just gotta be careful. There we go, right here. Yeah. Beautiful. Really clean too. I think that's heaps. Alrighty. So that green triangle was the old channel marker. Looks like it's just fallen down. In fact, I was looking for that one because it had a ladder on it and you could hold on to it and grab the mussels, but that one there is far better. There's just no metal, exposed metal, no rust, and it's a low tide. As I said, it is controversial. Don't take the mussels from the river. It can contain some sort of something in it, but out here very close to Fremantle, the water's really clean. It gets flushed out all the time, and yeah, I've been doing it for years and in moderation. The only thing is you've got to wear gloves, otherwise you cut your hands. Right, so now the time to clean them. Pretty easy. Wear gloves and just go for it. Try and get rid of all the big barnacles. Get rid of any dead mussels or other debris. As I said, these mussels are pretty clean. They're not covered in that cement stuff. I mean, and the smell coming out of this is fantastic. So when I'm cleaning, rubbing that shell. And I haven't rinsed these yet. Get rid of the barnacles. It's a really good size too. Like that. Put them in the water, give them a good rinse. Nice. Right. Give them a good rinse a few times. Put this in a bucket of water. Give them a really nice clean. Fantastic. Oh, so here we go. Cleaning these suckers, what I like to do is get a knife or even a steel wool and just scrape the majority of all the seaweed and mud and crap. You can even trim off some of these barnacles if you want. It's not going to make too much of a difference. Give it a good rinse. And the beard here, you definitely need to pull that out. I think I said that on the boat, if you pull this out, you need to consume this at least within the day, because you've actually killed the mussel. You've pulled out the foot. That's what I'm doing, getting ready. Beautiful mussels. Some of these are dinosaur ones. This one here, yeah, see, I've already scrapped all that. As I said, a steel wool is a lot better. I can't seem to find my one. Just giving it another good rinse. Beautiful. So first thing to do, I'm going to actually open up the mussels and cook them to about 40%. Get rid of all that juice, most of it anyway, because too much of it will be too salty. Just let that steam by itself. We'll throw in some parsley. I just want them to open up. So you can see they've just opened and they're still raw, so I'm going to take them off. Yeah, so that's what you're left with, a lot of the water. And if you taste it, it's actually a little bit too salty. I'm just going to take half of this out. We cook the fresh tomatoes. Very important, fresh basil. Looking good. Take the salt. I'm going to add a little bit of this. Whoops, paste. Not paste, it's a bit of concentrated. One thing I forgot was some chilli. Touch more salt. Bit of pepper. A little bit of sugar. Just to neutralise those acids. More water, not too much, because the mussels will finish off cooking in this sauce here, which is about ready now. Slowly starting to cook away. Mussels are starting to open a bit more. Even that big one's opened up. Righto, let's make room to add in some linguine. That's going to suck up all that sauce there. Beautiful. Just look at that. That's what I'm on about. What are you doing, Mum?
Eh?
That's my fish tucker.
Oh. That's the best.
That's the best. Alrighty. I haven't even tried it. Everyone's already tucked in. Absolutely fabulous. Fresh mussels. Look at them. Cooked to perfection. Oh, it's the ocean encapsulated in this flavour. And then into the linguine, which I mean, I didn't catch the linguine, but fantastic. Anyway, see you next time. Make sure you give us a like, subscribe, give us a comment. Don Petit. See you next time.
Fish, tucker.
This is beautiful.
Fish,
What do you reckon?
tucker.
Don Petit.
Bon appetit.
Fish,
Bye.
tucker. Fish,
Make sure to like and
tucker.
subscribe.
Fish, tucker.
See you, Mum.
Man.
On it.
Good.